Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the seat post clamp. Remove the seat post clamp cover. Disconnect the 3 wired harness terminals above the controller. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the bottom cover plate. Loosen and disconnect the motor wiring terminals. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the motor wire buckle. Disconnect all wiring harness terminals. Press the buckle to disconnect the white terminal. Cut the cable ties. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that secure the controller. Pull out the wire harness. Put the wire harnesses numbered 1, 9, and 10 into the buckle in sequence. Use cable ties to fasten the wiring harnesses numbered 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14 together. Stick a thermal conductive silicone pad at the bottom flush with the edges. Push all the controller wiring harnesses into the bike frame. Plug in the terminals of corresponding colors. Arrange the wiring harnesses. Use cable ties to secure the brake oil tubes and the IOT wiring harness on the controller. Align with the arrow and plug in the motor wire terminal. Install the motor wire buckle. Place the motor wire into the groove. Install the bottom plate with the label facing outwards. Tighten the 4 screws that secure the bottom plate. Torque 2.25 to 2.75 Nm. Tighten the 4 screws that fix the controller. Plug in the 3 upper terminals. Push the terminals into the upper seat tube. Stick acetate cloth to secure the wiring harness. Push the 3 wire harnesses into the lower buckle. Install the seat tube cover. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Install the battery.